Chapter 9. Plants are friends. In the spotlight, different kinds of plants, various things we get from plants, taking care of plants. In this chapter, we will learn about plants. Plants are very useful for us. They help us in many ways by providing different things. We see many kinds of plants around us. They make our world green. They provide shelter to many animals, birds, and insects. There would be no life without plants. Plants give us many things. Kinds of plants. Trees. The big plants are called trees. They have hard and strong stems. A banyan tree is a big plant. Shrubs. Small plants are called shrubs. They have many hard branches which grow close to the ground. Rose and cotton are shrubs. Herbs. Very small plants are called herbs. They have soft stems. Grass and mints are herbs. Climbers. The plants with weak stems are called climbers. They need support for standing straight. Grapevine is an example of a climber. Water plant. Plants grow in different places. The lotus grows in water. Therefore, it is a water plant. It has big leaves which float on water. Desert plant. Cactus grows in hot places. It is called desert plant. It has thorns. Plants give us food. Most of our food comes from plants. Plants give us cereals like corn, rice, wheat, and barley.
Plants give us pulses like moong, rajma, gram, and arhar.
Plants give us fruits. Some fruits are juicy and some are dry. Fruits are good for health.
Plants give us vegetables. We eat roots, stems, leaves, flowers, and fruits of plants as vegetables. Vegetables are good for health.
Plants give us spices. Spices helps us in making food tasty. Plants give us tea, coffee, and sugar. Plants give us edible oil. Seeds of some plants have oil in them. We crush these seeds to get oil. Oil is used for cooking food. Plants give us fibers. Plants give us fibers. Fibers are used for making clothes, sacks, ropes, and mats. We get cotton fiber from cotton plants. We get jute fiber from jute plants. Plants give us wood.
We get firewood from plants for cooking. The trunk and branches of some trees are used as wood.
We make many things like doors, windows, beds, tables, and chairs from wood. Plants give us medicines. We make medicines like penicillin and quinine from plants. Tulsi leaves are used to treat common cold and cough. Sweet-smelling flowers like jasmine and rose are used for making perfumes. Plants give us other things like 1. Paper. It is made from bamboo. 2. Gum. It is made from the kikar tree. 3. Rubber. It is made from the rubber tree. Let us recall. Plants are very useful for us. Plants give us food like cereals, pulses, fruits, vegetables, spices, and oil. Plants give us fibers, wood, medicines, and perfumes. Plants give us rubber, gum, and paper.